This is Mark Tender with Tadlock Roofing. I'm at 109 C Lilly in Ponte Vedra, the Powell residence. It's a beautiful home, really nice neighborhood, and I'm here to just kind of take a look and see how the roof is doing at the request of Mr. and Mrs. Powell. Kind of came back here where I could stay away from the shrubs, and one thing I wanted to kind of mention is that it's an architectural shingle on a 7 and 12 slope, so the roof has had good slope over the years, and that's always a good thing. So but first thing I kind of want to point out is that right here along your drip edge, and you can see that as I come up the ladder, the drip edge is moving and pulling away from your shingles here. That's indicative of the roof having aged. And then another thing I kind of wanted to show you is all this debris that's building up in this water catch. That's indicative also of the roof having aged. I've got 1, 2, 3, as I come around this side here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 damage points just on this small portion, and there's several more throughout. You've got several shingles missing up here on the ridge. You've got some over on the other side there. You've got some. But what I kind of wanted to point out is, you see when I barely touch these shingles, the granulars are moving, and when you step back and look at this area, it's very indicative of the rest of the roof, where a lot of the granules are missing. You've got that mottled look, and you're down to the felt underneath. These shingles have gotten very brittle. Here's an example where you can kind of see at the edge where your felt is showing, if you look real closely there, and it's very, very brittle to the touch as well. As we come over here, kind of want to come down here, show you here you've got a missing shingle. This is because your shingles are starting to bake out, and you can see them lifting all the way down on the ones that have gotten really bad, and they've also gotten real brittle as well. Here's another damage point. It is pretty much reaching the end of its life, and you would be wise to replace it sooner rather than later. In my professional opinion, it's a good idea to get it done. I appreciate you allowing me to take a look, and I'll come down to talk to you about it in a minute.